You guys ready to link up? Broom, broom, cousins. Okay. Gang gang. Oops.
You can go Las Vegas Boulevard if you want.
Okay. From where? I don't know.
Mel Torme, Spring Mountain.
Spring Mountain. For Sean.
I remember this place.
You belong here. You used to DJ here, right, Kuya Jody? And next on the stage, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Damn, I could have beat his ass with a 300 for shell. This one?
Yes, sir. Are we all gonna make it? We'll see. Yeah, keep going. You're good. Slow down. There you go. Use your brakes. Turn the way. There you go. Good job.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Yes, yes, yo. And
Motorcycle pow pow.
Las Vegas Boulevard. Are we complete?
Yes, sir. Strip
right.
gaming. Very good.
Alright.
Motherfucker. It's going, man.
Pow pow.
There's an ambulance on the right.
I said, welcome to the Las Vegas Strip.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well, hello.
Where?
Hello.
Where's the hello? Oh, is that Marilyn Monroe with the white hair right there? Huh?
No.
Sige, Jeff. Sunod ka lang dyan. Okay, pasukin mo. Pasukin mo. Good dyan.
Oh shit. Say what's up.
Jerry Signer? Who's Jerry Signer?
Jerry Signer.
What's going on, bro? How y'all doing tonight?
That's a brother.
I hail from Japan.
My man.
Yes, sir.
What is that? He give you a tip, bro?
Hey, he's like, hey, brother, I buy you a Coke.
Oh, damn.
Watch out, watch out.
Damn, why is it so busy on a Tuesday? What's happening?
I think they're doing the F1 stuff now.
Yep.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
They close them roads. Yeah.
My man.
Very good, very good. Jeff, lapit ako konti.
Sa kanila?
Oo.
Ah.
Pag ganito, mas maganda yung mas magkakadigay para walang pumasok. And if you're going to If we're going to Anthem, this Jeff's first long ride.
Give us some revs.
Hell no, we right behind the game.
He said, hell no.
It's cold.
This feels good, buddy.
It's a little chilly, yeah.
I don't know about that short game though.
We good, bro. We good. Where's he at? I'll let you know
When we
when
see him humming in the back of the Vespa, we know what happened.
Hey, hit your horn. Hit your horn. Masarap! Ah!
Hindi, pakataw mo. Sunset na yung susunod na ano. It feels good here, man.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Konami.
Me? Konami Gabi?
Konami. That's a video game company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But they don't make anything good anymore, no?
I haven't.
The slot machines.
Oh.
Yeah, some.
But didn't they make the game Contra? I think it's made by Konami.
That's a long time ago.
Yes, that's family computer, bro.
Hindi, pasok.
Ito yan.
Contra, Galaxy,
Oh, Galaga.
Galaga.
Galaxy.
Close.
Okay,
You can see the light from here.
looks like we're
Right there.
clear.
Clear. Yeah. Clear. Go.
Let's keep going. Over there with the car coming out.
God, of boards, man.
24.
24 courts?
Sunset Park. Here, make a left here. No, maybe. Yes.
Well, we're all following you, so
Okay. Damn, this is all new. Why is it so dark?
I think it's 24 courts here, plus another 2 for competition.
Alright.
Everybody here, we're complete. 7 bikes, we Gucci.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, players.
Or I'm just hungry. Did you eat dinner? No, I did not.
Okay, let's stop somewhere. You guys want to stop Jollibee?
If it's open, you can do that.
It should be 11 o'clock, no?
You guys want that, or you
Oh,
guys
shit.
want
It's 10:30.
barbecue?
What?
Korean barbecue, what the
God.
fuck?
It's like, okay, let's eat.
Let's go eat cheese. Lady cheese.
In Bomac, Hey, they said if you're wearing the sweater, you get free meal. Hey, what's up?
Where's ours?
I gave you one.
You gotta wear it.
Where?
This?
well, I hope somebody in the lead knows where the damn Jollibee is.
Straight, let's
you
go straight. Go straight.
Go straight. Yes, sir. You go straight.
Damn, maybe it was a bad idea to let you guys lead. Now I can't catch up.
There you go. Let's go, people.
Other side.
How long is the
Other
range
side,
of
other
this
side.
cardo thing?
Depends on the interference, like it depends. If it's open, I think a mile or not even a mile, pero it's
You're asking about the duration of the battery or the length of yung
No, the distance.
the distance, yeah. But
Depends.
it's supposed to piggyback with the new what are we using again?
It's called
mesh.
mesh.
The mesh. Yeah, the mesh is
The
supposed
mesh,
to
yeah.
piggyback.
It does.
Okay, so this is the part where there's a lot of restaurants. You guys choose.
You got Wingstop,
Jollibee's close.
In and
Jollibee
out.
close?
It's
Go
10
check, let's check.
it's 10:30.
I mean, we're gonna make it.
Should be good still.
Okay.
Really pissed, man. They probably run out of chicken, yo.
There's In
You're
and
gonna go
Out, there's Wingstop, there's
No, go straight. Let's go straight.
Just go straight. Okay.
Just past Saint Rose.
Oh, St. Rose. Okay. That Jollibee. That
Jollibee. Or
Jollibee.
we can park there, take a photo
for the thumbnail, yo.
for the thumbnail. You know.
Hey Jeff,
Yo,
first rule of wearing a helmet, you gotta strap your helmet.
I did.
Okay.
Got him.
Strap then.
Oh shit! Is it still open?
I hope so.
Whoa! My bad. Bro, I think they're still open, bro.
Yeah, they're open, but they're gonna cry.
Oh, they're gonna cry for sure.
Oh yeah, the rice cooker is clean already.
Hey,
like this,
hey,
bitches.
right here, park it right here in front of the Jollibee sign, you know. Make it look nice right here. Come on, let's go. So we get a picture.
Oh, they're close.
No.
Yeah, look at the rice cooker. It's upside down.
They looked at you and said, oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Pokey's like, I want a Jollibee now.
Oh yeah, they close.
Oh shit.
You want me to check and see if it's open?
No, it's closed.
Nah,
It's
they're
locked,
close.
kuya.
It's
Oh.
close.
Yeah, I tried the door. Vespa Jollibee. Okay, we need to find the place to
Shit,
eat.
we should have came here first and then checked the damn courts out.
Then the
Because now I'm fucking hungry.
hungry.
Well, there's In and Out down St. Rose. Yo, let's go.
In
Didn't
and
we
out.
just pass an In and Out down
No,
by
we can-
215?
You can go down St. Rose.
Yeah, let's go. In and Out is open till
Yeah.
1, right?
Yeah. In and Out. Let's go.
Protein. Animal. Parking spot feeder.
Let's go. It's gonna make it.
Oh shit!
You're
Nope,
next
don't
time.
go.
Oh. This motherfucker. He said, let's go. There's two cars coming.
What a dick!
Holy shit, it's cold, goddammit. Hey, Pokey, you cold? Oh, I'm hard. Damn. Are we turning on Las Vegas Boulevard?
No.
Straight.
Go straight?
Yeah, you don't want to hit that strip again. Nice bike, bro.
Yeah. Make a right, folks.
Stupid.
Whoa.
Not there. Hey. Hey.
Do not enter.
freeway driver on the scooter? Are you fucking crazy? You're not gonna fucking survive.
You guys tell me to go, I'm gonna go.
Okay, they're coming. Why you hate?
I'm not hating.
That's right.
Yep. Yo.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, yep, spanking.
What the fuck? Okay, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
May ano na pala, no? May French na pala na loan center.
Oh, Lelones. Lelones.
Lelones.
Alright.
Alright,
Boys.
mga friends, maraming salamat sa inyong guidance.
Yes, sir.
Of course.
Let's do it again next time.
Of course.
Alright, girlfriend. Alright, Tiffany.
Later.
Yeah, yeah.
JR Oman.
Alright.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Salamat.
Hello.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Salamat.
Let's go. We are nice. We are
Good night. It's closer.
Group connection lost.
Na-detour pa tayo. Sarado yung daan. Alright. Dito na tayo malapit sa bahay. And ito na siguro yung pinakamaliwanag na part bago makarating sa may amin. Kaya titigil na tayo ng... Oh! Si Mike yun, gamit niya yung sasakyan ni Bomac TV. So anyways, dito na mag-i-end ang ating vlog for tonight. I think this one is gonna be pretty long, pero paikliin natin as much as I can. Sana maganda yung edit. Nagkakaproblema tayo sa audio kasi napapansin ko yung audio jack niya, nagpo-pull out siya. I might need to change this and see kung ano yung mas secure. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya nagba-back off. Sa vibration ba or sa hangin, hindi natin alam. So we gotta figure out a way na ano siya, mas secure. But anyway, we're gonna end this vlog here. Thank you again for coming with us. Sa mga nanonood up to this point, maraming salamat. Thank you sa mga likes tsaka sa mga comment nyo. And hopefully na-enjoy nyo yung aming mga Vespa rides around Las Vegas. So anyways, we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.